What we got? Dinosaur? Oh, we can use the roar! That was impressive.
Ryan, I know what I'm gonna be.
Ryan! Ryan!
What?
The food's ready!
What do you mean?
The food's ready!
Did you cook something?
I did! Go put it on the ground. I'm gonna pour it on the ground!
He's losing his mind.
What the fuck did I do? Alright, did you drink the soup?
No.
What, like lick it up off the floor?
Yeah.
Pour on ground? Is that what I do?
If you were in a zombie apocalypse, would you lick soup off the floor? You Ryan! That was my soup! Ryan! That was my soup!
Oh, this is where our mops and brooms are. We have 2 of them, and now we have more.
Head, shoulders, mops, and toe.
Head boner. What?
Head and boner fresh.
She giving head to my boner.
She gave my head boner. What? I found a dance magazine.
Really?
Yeah.
What is
Ryan,
it?
I'm so tempted
African
to...
rainbow.
Ryan?
What?
Sky, what are you up to?
I'm cleaning.
Why do I see
infected
blood?
me?
I did?
Yeah, when you hit me earlier.
We fought a lot of zombies. It could have been that.
No, I
Totally.
never got bit or anything. You hit me with a hammer once or whatever.
I see blood.
What happened?
Grandpa's gone.
I think I'm finishing it, girl. That was so
Oh my god.
You ate all the stew?
That was so good.
Okay, so Ryan fucking
You make a
pours the
good pot, girl.
Ryan pours the fucking soup on the ground and then Jess just eats it all.
Oh my god, why is there a dead rat in here?
This whole fucking neighborhood is loaded with guns. It's crazy.
By the way, guys, if you ever see a house with like boards on the windows or the doors, go in there. It usually has good shit.
By the way, guys, if you all find a house that's bigger, tell us so we move. DJ,
Squirt.
squirt on my pussy.
Right.
I'm sleepy, Jess.
Someone make me less bored.
Watch the TV.
I'm looking at it, someone turn it on.
Try harder. It's literally on.
Ow!
That was a really good ow. By the way, I'm insanely over encumbered right now.
You are always. What's
I'm being hunted! I'm being hunted! It was a purr.
What did it sound like?
It sounded like a purr. It sounded exactly like a cat.
That was kind of a
purring.
dumb question, Jess. You gotta admit.
I can't argue with that. Yeah.
Take your fingerless gloves and gas mask out of the dryer so I can clean my bando.
I don't need them anymore.
I don't care.
I don't know why I'm sad. I think I'm stupid. I think Grandma's got a goon. Well, I know what I'm gonna do. That's awesome.
I'm glad that I sighed. I don't know if it came through.
Oh, I'm glad it fits. Hold on.
Me when I'm testing
Go
my
on.
new dildo. Let's go.
You're right.
Oh, I'm eating our marmalade for sure.
Let me fucking...
What a great sentence. Ryan's just running circles around me. like a fucking, like a reckless hooligan messing with the old granny, just trying to go on her walk home.
I am damaged now.
Jimmy on my Dean until I make her breakfast.
She Ebenezer on my Scrooge till I'm visited by 3 ghosts.
I don't know what happens in that story. I remember the ghosts, but I don't remember why they exist.
I think I've seen like 6
It's
different
pandering.
versions of that story.
It's pandering.
Put something on the telly.
Why did you say that?
I don't know.
Wait, Jess, why don't you just wear those? Those are Bite Defense 100.
Huh?
She raised it on my brain till I hear a crunch.
Right?
Zucchini, fresh, not for long.
Oh, if you read.
No.
Oh, but he's got lunchbox. Oh, lunchbox completely counters this. You can just put everything in there. Yeah. Wow. I haven't seen the dinosaur countered that casually in a while.